All right, grade 2 and grade 5. Today we are going to check out something called coding. I think lots of our grade 5s have started checking this out, and our grade 2s have been doing coding using Scratch Junior. Today the website that you guys are going to check out with your buddy after you finished your first activity is the Hour of Code website. I'm going to give you a link that you're going to have to go to, but it's going to take you directly to the activities page on the Hour of Code. Now the reason I'm doing this screencast for you is because I want to show you a couple of things before you get started. One of the things that I really want to show you is this filter by option. Some of you will know things about coding already. Some of you will be just getting started, and we're going to go with the just getting started piece right now. So what I want you to do in order to make sure that we're using an activity that's appropriate for us in both grade 2 and grade 5, you're going to click on this little box that says grade 2 to 5. And you'll notice that some of the activities over here change once you click that option. We're not in grade 9, so we don't want to try something that's going to be too hard. We want to try something that's going to allow you to be successful. So what I want you to do is look through the options with your buddy. Now you can scroll through and you can see all the different options. There's different games and different movies, different activities for different movies. So I want you to go through and choose one that you and your buddy want to try out. Try not to try out 10 of them. I'd really like you to take some time today and try one of the activities out for maybe 5 or 6 minutes, and then try one more, or stick with the same one all the way through. They're all going to be a little bit different. Some of them are very similar to what you see in Scratch. Some of them are a little bit different. You may have to watch a tutorial video. You may have to ask a couple questions, and that's okay. What I want us to do is I want us to start, and I want us to learn together. So let's say my buddy and I have gone through, we've looked at some of the options. We're going to try out the Moana Wayfinding with Code. So I'm going to click on there, and you're going to notice that something's going to pop up, a little box that it tells you the different languages that this activity can come in, and it tells you that it's a beginner level. It tells you what subjects this piece of coding or this coding activity works in. It also gives you a little bit more of information here. When you're ready, you can go ahead and hit start. And then what you do is you're going to have to kind of look at each activity separately, because they start in different ways. So if I'm looking at this website, I'm going to click on the begin now. So I'm going to click on that. And you're going to have to wait for things to load, and sometimes it may take a little bit of time. Now, here's something really interesting, is you can watch a tutorial video on how to do things. I would suggest you watch that. I'm not going to watch it right now, but you'll see that it gives you lots of different tools, and it helps to get you started. So I'm going to start. And so it says drag a move forward block to the workspace and hit run. So I'm going to drag a move forward block to the workspace. I'm going to hit run over here. Okay, and then it should, see, now it's going to keep guiding you through those activities. So I'm going to close this one for now. And I'm going to go back, and I'm just going to look at, so let's say you and your buddy try that one out for a while, then go ahead and try another one. I'd like you to stick to 1 or 2 today, but pick something that you and your buddies are really interested in, something you'd like to try out. Hopefully in the next buddy activities that we're going to be able to try and do a little bit more with coding so that we can learn together. I hope you have fun, enjoy the activity, and ask questions if you need to.